Hello, this is Scholastic Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing cubic functions. Now, cubic functions, of course, when you see a cubed, x cubed. And our equation is ax minus h cubed plus k. A determines how skinny or wide it is. That's, you just multiply x minus h cubed. That's what you multiply that by a. And the vertex is at hk. X determines its movement left or right. H determines that. So if it's x minus 3, the graph's going to move to the left 3. But if it's x plus 4, the graph is going to move to the right 4. Now, since you see plus k, it determines how high or low it's going to be. If you have k, it's just going to be plus 2. It's going to move up 2. But if it's minus 1, it's going to move down 1. And the vertex, which we'll point out later, is at h comma k. So it's x minus 3, and then there's plus 4. The vertex is going to be at 3, 4. So as we see here, we just have one of our functions. We know that we see x minus 4, and over here is plus 2. So we know we have our point of origin at 0. So when you see x minus 4, we know we go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And plus 2 up 2. 1, 2. Getting our vertex right here. Now, this is the tricky part. It's not really tricky, but it's harder. So 0.5, we see usually our point of reference, let's clear that out here. Usually our point of reference is going to be, we go over 1, up 1. But if it were, let's say we had 4, it would be over 1, up 4. And if we had 2, it'd be over 1, up 2. Or over 1, down 2. And again, guys, you know this is just flips if we do a negative. So, but then it's a little harder if we put into fractions, because here we see 0.25, we go over 2, up 2. Now if we put in 0.5, we'd go over 2, up 4. So usually if you have it less than, it's going to be like however many you go over however many. Let's see, because if we have, well, guys, just plot in the x coordinates, but we go over 2, up 4. And if it's 0.25, we go over 2, up 2. Because remember, it's just going to be, if it's 0.25, it's just going to be half of what 0.5 is. And if we have 0.125, something like that, then we just go over 2, up 1. Because again, it keeps shrinking. It gets wider. Or it gets skinnier and then wider, of course. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comments. And if you want, you guys can experiment with Desmos. It helps me to learn, like, oh, I move this to 3, it moves back over 1, or I move this to 1, I move this to plus 1, so instead of it being up 2, it went down 1. That's going to help you guys a lot understand graphs to their fullest. So, yeah, thank you. Please like and subscribe. It helps grow the channel and helps this knowledge reach more people. Please turn on post notifications, ring that bell, so you can receive notifications for my videos, because you guys will be needing them all throughout high school. Thank you to Mr. Barrett, my math teacher, for teaching me all this information. And that's it for my video. I'm Scholastic Sam, and remember, knowledge is power.